Today's quick tip is about what you should not do on Instagram. Yes, everyone wants to grow on Instagram, and there are many things which you should do, but there are many don'ts worth your attention. So let's look at this 10 things which you should not do on Instagram. 1. Don't underestimate the power of hashtags. 2. Don't ignore the habit of writing long captions. 3. Don't use stories only to reshare your feed posts. 4. Don't overlook new features like Reels. 5. Don't join any engagement groups. 6. Don't get carried away by negative comments. 7. Don't beg others to follow your profile. 8. Don't get trapped into follow for follow strategy. 9. Don't use non Instagram apps to increase follows and likes. And number 10, don't use generic hashtags in your Instagram bio. Let me know in comment, in your opinion, which one is the most dangerous. Implement this and follow for more tips.